Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Now let us discuss about the crop and weed detection based on texture and size features and automatic spraying of herbicides. Now let us discuss about the abstract of the process. So weed control is a botanical component of pest control which attempts to stop weeds, especially noxious or injurious weeds, from contacting with domesticated plants and livestock. So weed control is important in agriculture. Many strategies have been developed in order to contain these plants. So methods includes hand cultivation with hooves, power cultivation with cultivators, smoothing with much bumping, and chemical attacks with the herbicides. So a plant is often termed as a weed when it has one or more of the following characteristics. So little or no recognized values that are rapid growth and are easy germination, competitive with crops for space, light, water and nutrition. So the definition of weed is completely content dependent. So to one person or one plant, another person it may be desirable plant. Plant may be viewed as a weed, whereas another place is a sample. Same plant may be desirable. So in this proposed work, we developed an image processing algorithm for crop detection and management of weed. So Wavelet is very popular tool in an image processing algorithm. So 5 text features are used to detection a crop. These 5 features are energy, entropy, inertia, local homogeneity and contrast. So morphological size based features are also used to detection the crop and weed. Compare all of these results and take a majority decision for detection the crop and weed of the process. So image segmentation combines image processing technique in order to extract the cells from the image. So the overall process is done by the simulation MATLAB. Now let us discuss about the flow diagram of the process. So these are the overall flow diagram. First of all, the image acquisition, that is the input image from the dataset images from the crop and weed of the process, and then the pre-processing step. So in the pre-processing step, excessive green algorithm and gray conversion and also median filter is applied. And then it should be a binary image. So in this binary image, calculating the value and then the wavelet transform is processed. So by using the wavelet transform, texture feature extraction and the classification size space feature is applied. Finally, to detect the crop and weed of the process. So first of all, so whatever it may be, the dataset of in the input image, dataset of crop and image input is taken. So using excessive green algorithm, segment of the input images of the process. So in the segmentation, pre-processed image is converted into the type of binary images. So in the wavelet extraction, DB4 feature has been used to text feature extraction of the part. So the classification process, size-based features, that is the type of area, perimeter, major axis length and minor axis length is used for the classification. So whatever it may be, finally classify the crop and weed of the process. So to the sized based of the feature. So the excessive green algorithm is mostly dependent on the easily to attempt the process. So in the size-based feature detection, that is based on the classification, that is should be in particular crop and weed. So the area, perimeter, that's are important to classify the image. That is must to classify the image. So and then the median filter. So median filter is used to remove the noise in the particular input image, and then the binary image to extract the binary from the wavelet transform of the process. So whatever it may be, the text feature extraction, it should be extract the feature from the particular image. So to extract the feature, then only easy to classify the process. So more or less all the process is converted by using the grayscale conversion. Finally classified what is the type and what is the type of weed and what is the type of crop. So is the analysis, it's a must to analysis, because all over the process it should be easily to detect it. So it's a must to analysis the overall process. So these are the overall flow diagram of the process. Let us discuss about the running procedure for the process. So click the main file and then run. So it's taking some time to run. So first of all, we take in the crop and weed of the image on the particular dataset. This is the dataset folder. So here I will click the dataset. Totally I have 60 images. So I will click one type of images, whatever I will take it. I wish to conduct the process. So totally I will, in the dataset there are 60 images in the process. So I will click the second figure and then open. So all the images, it should be simultaneously displayed. Yeah, this is the first figure. In this first figure, this is the input image. So whatever it may be, I will take it. I will take in the second image. So this is the input image, and then this is the playing a segmented. So segmented region, whatever it may be. So I will click the segmented region. So particular soil and weed. So segmented the soil and then weed and crop only. It should be displayed. And then the grayscale image. So here we're using the grayscale image for the process. So in the grayscale image, it should be in gray. It's converted into the binary of the process. And the noise image. So I will applying the noise. So by using the median filter, so I will applying the noise, and then I will remove the noise. Finally, first of all, I will apply the noise to the median filter again, and then remove the noise from that image. And then intensity image. So intensity means it highlight the process. So highlight the crop and weed of the process. So it should be highlight the white color. So that is the intensity image. And then binary image means zeros and ones. The crop and weed, so soil and crop and weed, so it should be 1 or 0. So 0 indicate the black color and 1 indicate the white color. So this is the process of input, segmented, grayscale, noise, filtered, and intensity, and also the binary image of the process. So in the next figure, it should be deducted. Whatever it may be, the crop and weed, it should be the like a knot or not. So this is segmented part of the image, like LL, LH, HL, HH. So like that. So there are 4 parts of segmented image. The show 4 short it should be displayed. The crop and weed, it should be separated for different type of clustering of the concept. So this figure shown that the different types of how much the weed and crop are presented in the particular within the process. Yeah, in this next figure, how many weeds are presented? So all the weeds are presented is like in the dot. So all the weeds must be presented in the dot. And then so in this figure and shown the particular image of crop and weed. So in this image only for the weed of the process. So this figure is shown that. And then the next figure. So this is the next figure. So in the next figure, the iteration must be implemented. So how many weeds are presented. So that's weeds are all the values which will be presented particular of the weed process. So it should be like that in the green process. So how many items are presented, and up to that iteration the process will be going on. So this figure is shown like that. And the next figure, so in this figure the white that's indicating the crop, so that should be only crop, another it should be B. So the white end should be in the crop of the process, like binary image. So all the values should be black and that would be white. So this figure like that. And then another figure, so to segment the crop and the bead. So all the blocks containing crop and bead of the process. So this is the classification process. Finally, classification is already told that area, perimeter, shape, like that. So these are the overall running procedure for the process. Thank you for listening this video.